Cricket 4631. Never mind. Continue holding short 2 right.
Continue on 2 right, Cricket 4631.
523, wind 2207, runway 2 right, left takeoff. Full 61, runway heading contact Newport.
Remain frequency via Juliet, hold short 2 to right, Turkish 3.
Tempo 709, wind 2208, runway 22 right, left takeoff.
Takeoff 22 right, 709.
So 1731, can you tower, runway 22 right, line up and wait.
Runway 22 right,
Tempo 523, runway heading contact Newport.
Runway heading over to Park, Tempo 523.
Tempo 1731, wind 2207, runway 22 right, left takeoff.
First takeoff, 22 right, Tempo 1731.
Car 99, can you tower? Car 99, call from jet blast, you can proceed on runway 22 right, holding.
And tower, it's Paragon 6. Can we roll along to make the right onto Juliet? We'll check this stuff.
Paragon 6, that's 6.
Starbreak Air 4516, join in the left 22 left.
Air 4516, Kenny Tower, wind 230 at 5, runway 22 left, third line.
Clear land 22 left, Bridge Air 4516.
American 816, Kenny Tower, runway 22 right, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, 22 right, American.
That's 2 heavy, turn right at the end, cross runway 31 left at Zulu, left on Juliet, and hold short, 22 right.
Right turn at the end, cross 3, whatever it is, left at Zulu, County 652.
That's cross runway 31 left at Zulu.
1 left at Zulu, County 652, heavy.
Bergen 86, turn right here at Juliet, taxi left on Bravo, and contact ground to the ramp.
Right, Juliet, left Bravo, going to course.
American 45 heavy, cross runway 22 right at Juliet, traffic in position, taxi via left on Bravo, on the ground to the ramp.
Good across 2 right on Juliet, left on Bravo, monitor ramp, American 45 heavy.
Tower low, speedbird 117 heavy, 15 miles final, 22 left, side left.
Speedbird 117 heavy, Kenny Tower, wind 240 at 66, keep your speed remaining frequency.
Right, Juliet, hold short at 22 right, staying with you, 24 seconds.
42 Heavy, cross runway 22 right at Juliet, right turn on Alpha, right Alpha, short of Delta and contact ground.
Cross 22 right at Juliet, right turn Alpha, short of ground,
442 Heavy, runway heading contact unit port.
Bye-bye now, Delta 442. Yeah, Delta
66 Tower, following Heavy A330, 7 miles ahead, close away turbulence, wind 260 at 6, runway 22 left, third left.
22 left, third left, Delta 1166.
Coma 980, keep your speed up this most practical, please.
Keep
the speed up this most practical. Delta 384, wind 250 at 6, runway 22 right, cleared for takeoff.
22 right, cleared for takeoff, Delta 384.
Secured 4886, Kenny Tower, wind 22 right, line up away.
22 right, line up away, quick track 40.
5506, runway heading contact unit port.
Runway heading departure, 5506, today.
Alright, Channel 592, Charlie, Hotel Echo. Air Channel 592 Heavy, Kennedy Tower, continue left Echo behind Qatar.
Continue Echo and behind the traffic at Channel 592.
Beaver 117 Heavy, continue Hotel, runway 22 right, remain this frequency.
Hotel, 22 right, Beaver 117.
Any good shots?
Secured 4086, wind 250 at 5, runway 22 right, clear for takeoff. Tower 65 Golf, Heavy, Kenny Tower, runway 22 right, line of weight, next arrival, 12 mile final.
Way to the right,
Delta 384, runway heading contact unit port. Service number Delta 384. 384, close there. Runway heading contact unit port. Right, Delta 384.
Virgin 3 November Heavy, established on the localizer.
Virgin 3 November Heavy, Kenny Tower, wind 240 at 4, runway 22 left, cleared land.
22 left, cleared to left.
Virgin 3 November Heavy, keep the speed up as most practical.
Will do.
Kilo 4 cross runway left, Kilo stay with you, Jet 717.
Jet 4634, wind 260 at 6, runway 22 right, clear takeoff.
22 right, clear for takeoff, prepare 4634.
So 717 will be straight Kilo Alpha, then straight Alpha, monitor ground to the ramp.
Kilo Alpha, straight Alpha, monitor ground to the ramp, Jet 717.
Origin 3 November Heavy, turn right Juliet, Zulu and Hotel, hold short wind 22 right, remain at frequency.
Juliet, Zulu, and then Hotel remain on this frequency. 3 November.
Origin 3 November Heavy, hold short wind 22 right.
Hold short, 22 right, Section 3 November.
American 595 Heavy, Candy Tower, wind 22 right, line up and wait.
22 right, line up and wait, American 595 in.
Okay, 4634, Romer heading, contacting support.
Alright, heading departure, Rinker 4634.
Pullman 980 Heavy, cross runway 22 right at Juliet, taxi right on Alpha, hold short Delta and contact ground.
Okay, cross to the right on Alpha, Hotel Delta.
2685, turn right here, Hotel, hold short runway 22 right, remain at frequency.
Hotel 22 right, short at Hotel Delta 2685.
Triple 84, your discussion, it will still be in sequence.
Alright, so we take forward, give away for it.
Right. Delta 1166, cross runway 22 right at Juliet, say your gate please.
22 right at Juliet, going Bravo 37.
38.
30, 30.
1166, roger straight on Alpha, I'm on the ground.
Alpha open ground, Delta.
Tower Delta 1034 approaches Alpha 22 left.
Delta 2776, wind 2506, runway 22 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 22 right, Delta 2776.
America 5605, Kenny Tower, wind 22 right, line up and wait.
And one wait for careful.
Delta 1034, you're following heavy 777, just rolling out. 22 left, cross runway turbulence, runway 22 left, third line.
22 left, clear land, Delta 1034.
Charlie 97 Sierra, Kennedy altimeter 3028. American 688 Heavy, turn right at the end, turn left onto runway 31 left, and hold short runway 22 right.
Alright, right turn, clear to cross 31 left, hold short at 22 right, American 688.
American 688 Heavy, right at the end, left onto runway 31 left, and hold short 22 right.
Okay, right at the end, and take a left on 31 left, hold short at 22 right, American.
Delta 605, wind 2506, runway 22 right, close takeoff.
Right, clear for takeoff, clear correction, 605.
2826 Kennedy Tower, runway 22 right, line for wait.
Bravo will maintain 500 and direct transition to the United States as possible.
American 5772, turn right at Juliet, hold short runway 22 right, remain this frequency.
Juliet, short at 22 right with you, Rinker 5772.
Alaska 225, runway heading contact new port.
Runway heading to Parking now. Good day, Alaska 225.
Delta 1034, cross runway 22 right at hotel. Sierra, I do have traffic 4 miles north of Arizona, 1,200 appears southbound, type unknown. You can contact New York Department of New York Tower on 127.85. Kylie 970. Kylie 20970. Picture 4518 Kenny Tower, runway 22 right, line for wait.
Plane 22 right, Rinker 45.
American 101 Heavy, turn right at the end, on left turn onto runway 31 left, and hold short for runway 22 right.
And left on 31 left, 22 right.
For 902, I'm underground to the ramp. For 902, I'm underground to the ramp.
Underground to the ramp, JetBlue 900.
Picture 4518, runway 22 right, clear for takeoff.
2 right, clear for takeoff, repair 45.
Bergen 86, maintain 4000, fly runway heading, contact new departure.
Contact departure on the runway heading to 4000, American 86, good day.
Tower Delta 1863 from Zelbo for 22 left.
Delta 860 Kennedy Tower, cross by 7, you're in trail of heavy point 777 over the threshold, runway 22 left, clear to land.
22 left, clear to land, Delta 86.
Delta 859 heavy, runway 22 right, clear takeoff. Takeoff 22 right, Delta 859 heavy. American 3, contact New York, departure, good day. American 3, Delta 859 heavy, contact New York, departure, good day. Yep, good one, Delta 859 heavy. Beaver 17 Alpha heavy, cross runway 22 right on Juliet, then turn right Alpha.
Okay, cross runway 22 right on Juliet.
Maintain 4000, caution wake turbulence, runway 22 right, line up and wait. Maintain 4000 on departure, runway 22 right, line up and wait, over 5113. JetBlue 842 traffic will hold in position, cross runway 22 right on Juliet, then it'll be a right turn on Alpha.
22 right cross and right on Alpha, yes, 842.
Blue 842 on Alpha, monitor ground, getting.
Alpha on the ground,
Tower JetBlue 1815, ILS 22 left.
JetBlue 1815, Kennedy Tower, runway 22 left, clear to land.
Clear land, 22 left, JetBlue 1815.
Global 436 Alpha Bravo, runway 22 right, clear takeoff. Endeavor 5113, contact New York, departure, good day.
Departure, Endeavor 5113, good day.
Delta 253 heavy, Kennedy Tower, runway 22 right, line up and wait.
253 heavy, line up and wait, runway 22 right.
American 2292, traffic's in position, cross runway 22 right on Juliet, left on Bravo, monitor ground, getting.
Alright, cross 22 right on Juliet, left on Bravo, monitor ground, American 22.
Caribbean 015, keep the speed up, cross runway 22 right on Juliet, then taxi right Alpha and monitor ground, 121.9, getting.
Cross runway 22 right on Juliet, right turn on Alpha at monitor ground, terminal.
Endeavor 5207, Kennedy Tower, cross wake turbulence, runway 22 right, line up and wait. King Air 111 Mike, keep the speed up, cross runway 22 right on Juliet, then taxi left Bravo, Quebec to the ramp.
Keep the speed up, cross 22 right, and then Bravo and Quebec to the ramp, triple on.
Delta 326 heavy, contact New York, departure, good day.
326 heavy, good day.
Endeavor 5528, switching to 22 left. Endeavor 5528, Kennedy Tower, cross wake terminus, you're in trail of heavy point 767, runway 22 left, clear to land. Clear to land, 22 left, Endeavor 5528.
JFK 610, if able, reduce to your final approach speed.
On the final, JFK 610.
Edo Mexico 408, heavy, turn right on Juliet, hold short of runway 22 right, remain this frequency.
Right, on Juliet, hold short to right,
Hold it 263, lined up 22 left. Delta 263 heavy, Kennedy Tower, runway 22 left, clear to land. 263, clear to land. Mexico 408, heavy, cross runway 22 right on Juliet and taxi. Where do you enter?
we don't have a gate yet. The cross runway 22 right.
Mexico 408, heavy, roger. If you don't have a gate, cross 22 right on Juliet, then left Bravo and contact ground.
Okay, crossing 22 right on Juliet, left of Bravo, and contact ground.
And just to be confirmed, JFK 610 cleared the line.
Delta 610, affirmative, runway 31 left, clear land.
Thank you.
Delta 6, correction, Delta 127 heavy, thank you for your help. Cross runway 22 right on Juliet, where do you enter?
Okay, cross at Juliet, 22 right, we're going to enter Kilo Fox.
Delta 127 heavy, roger. Once you cross, taxi left on Bravo.
Left on Bravo, Delta 127 heavy, thanks.
Delta 127 heavy, just remain on this frequency for now.
Delta 127 heavy, welcome.
Kennedy Tower, good afternoon, Quebec 09, supervisor.
Delta 809, Kennedy Tower, cross runway terminus, you're in trail of a heavier bus 330, runway 22 left, clear to land.
22 left, clear to land, Quebec 809.
Car 99, you can proceed on runway 31 left from Kilo Echo.
99 pushing out 31 Kilo Echo, no question.
And Delta 127 heavy, once you cross, you can go straight alpha, monitor ground, getting.
Straight Alpha, monitor ground, Delta 127 heavy.
JetBlue 610 and turn right here, taxi straight ahead November, left Alpha.
Today in November, left Alpha for JetBlue 610, 124.
JetBlue 610, roger, thank you. Oh, you're going to gate 4, you said?
Affirmative.
JetBlue 610, sure, November, then turn right Quebec and straight Alpha. So it'll be a right turn on Quebec, Alpha to the right.
November, Quebec, Alpha, JetBlue 610.
And JetBlue 610, do you need any further assistance?
We appreciate it, JetBlue 610.
JetBlue 610, no problem, thank you very much. And you can monitor ground on 121.9 or the rest of the way.
19 or JetBlue 610.
99, Car 99, roger, thank you. JetBlue 1584, Kennedy Tower, runway 22 left, clear to land.
Avianca 210, turn right on Juliet, hold short over runway 22 right, remain this frequency.
Right Juliet, holding short to the right, remaining on the frequency that has the 210.
Tower American 327, we're 22 left. American 327, Kennedy Tower, runway 22 left, clear to land. Clear to land 22 left, American 327. JetBlue 426, cross runway 22 right on hotel. Follow the Delta 319 onto Alpha, monitor ground. Press 22 right at hotel, monitor the 319 on Alpha, and or follow him and monitor ground, JetBlue 426. 0509, cross runway 22 right on Juliet, where do you enter?
We don't know for today, but cleared across the 22 right for now.
0509, roger. Once you cross, turn right Bravo, hold short of hotel.
Turn right Bravo, hold short of hotel, go by 809.
Avianca 210, cross runway 22 right on Juliet, right Bravo, hold short of hotel, let me know once you're, and hold short of hotel Bravo, let me know once you're cleared in.
Proceed to right, right on Bravo, holding short of hotel, Avianca 210.
Delta 47 Heavy, right on Kilo 3, right on Kilo, remain this frequency. Right on Kilo 3, Kilo, this frequency, Delta 47. First 4712, traffic holds in position, cross runway 22 right on hotel, left on Bravo.
About 22 right at hotel, short of Bravo, break yard 4712.
First 4712, left Bravo, at Juliet, give way to Viva, monitor ground.
Left Bravo, give way to Viva, monitor ground, break yard 4712.
Headwind left is 100, cross runway 22 right on Juliet, left Bravo, monitor ground. Cross to right on Bravo, left on Bravo, Air India 102, contact here, you know, support.
JetBlue 86, cross runway 22 right at hotel, taxi right on Bravo, and monitor ground point 9, traffic is holding in position.
Alright, cross 22 right hotel, right on Bravo, monitor ground, JetBlue 86, good day.
Contact near Park. Circa 5736, cross runway 22 right at hotel, taxi left on Alpha, then monitor ground point 9 today.
Cross 22 right hotel, left turn on Alpha, going to ground point 9, Brickyard 5736 next. Tower 725, 36, inbound ILS.
JetBlue 818, contact near departure.
Departure, JetBlue 818, good day.
Delta 1406, Kennedy Tower, 22 right, monitor right. 22 right, monitor right, Delta 1406. Delta 2536, Kennedy Tower, 2206, calling heavy 767, causing wake turbulence, runway 22 left, clear to land.
725.
Delta 400 heavy, right on Juliet, quarter runway 22 right, remain the frequency.
Juliet.
I was reporting you to come 262 Heavy, I listened
Delta 1406, when 2206, runway 22 right, clear for takeoff. 22 right, clear for takeoff, Delta 1406. Circa 5639, Canadian Tower, runway 22 right, line up and wait.
22 right, line up way, Brickyard 5639.
Air Trans 362 Heavy, Canadian Tower, wind 2206, runway 22 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, 22 left, Air Trans 362 Heavy.
good, 5639 on approach, maintain 4,000. Wind 210 at 5, runway 22 right, clear to take off. 4,000, 22 right. Alaska 10, contact nearest departure.
Departure, Alaska 10, good day.
Alaska 10, contact nearest departure.
Alaska 10, departure, good day.
5490, did you copy the traffic?
5490, I think I asked about it. It's interview local. Yeah.
Okay, good, thank you. And W803, wind 210 at 6, runway 22 right, cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, 22 right, JetBlue 803.
And JetBlue 901, contact nearest departure.
Departure for 901.
Eurocast 332 heavy, flying on hotel, quarter runway 22 right, running the frequency.
And a hotel, and also but you're not
City Single Yankee 608, heavy Kennedy Tower, wind 210 at 6, runway 22 left for the land. JetBlue 2536, cross runway 22 right at Golf, turn right on Bravo, and monitor ground when I get out.
cross right on Golf, right on Bravo,
Delta 2 heavy, cross 22 right at Hotel, taxi left on Alpha, pass behind Lufthansa at Juliet, monitor ground when I.
Monitor ground point, make copy 23 right, turn down the behind.
Lufthansa 400 heavy, cross 22 right at Juliet, continue straight ahead onto Alpha, and monitor ground when I get out. And 5014, cross runway 22 right at Juliet, taxi right on Bravo, monitor ground point 9, good eye.
Cross 22 right at Juliet, right on Bravo, and ground point 9, there's 14.
Adriana 221 heavy, contact nearest departure.
Departure, Adriana 221.
Endeavour 5490, cross runway 22 right at Hotel, taxi left onto Alpha, monitor ground point 9, traffic is holding in position.
Cross 22 right, Hotel, then Alpha, monitor point 9, over the clock.
India Single Yankee 608, heavy, turn right on Juliet, then hold short, runway 22 right, remain the 3 front base. American 688, heavy, contact near departure. Delta 1855, wind 210 at 7, runway 22 right, clear for takeoff.
Delta 55, sign clear. 22 right.
Uzbek 102 heavy, wind 210 at 6, runway 22 right, cleared for takeoff. Tower on course to maintain 4,000, runway 22 right, minus weight, Boston West, 4, runway 22 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 22 right, 990.
Double 1835, Kennedy Tower, on departure, maintain 4000, runway 22 right, line up and wait. Double 1835, Kennedy Tower, on departure, maintain 4000, runway 22 right, line up and wait. Giant 8437 Heavy to right on Juliet, hold short of runway 22 right, remain as frequency.
Hold short runway 22 right on your frequency.
And Delta 8, person JetBlue 1835 Kennedy Tower. JetBlue 1835 Kennedy Tower.
Go ahead, JetBlue 1835.
JetBlue 1835 on departure, maintain 4000, runway 22 right, line up and wait.
4000, line up and wait, JetBlue 1835. JetBlue 884, ILS 22 left.
JetBlue 884 Kennedy Tower, calling heavy 767, caution mark turbulence, runway 22 left, cleared to land.
Left, clear to land, 884.
And JetBlue 1835, wind 106, runway 22 right, clear to takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 22 right, JetBlue 1835.
Delta 1908, wind 2005, runway 22 right, clear for takeoff.
22 right, clear for takeoff, Delta 1908.
JetBlue 2223 Kennedy Tower, runway 22 right, line up and wait.
Boy, 22 right, JetBlue 2223.
Central Aircraft Kennedy Airport, Tango current. Line 1 Charlie Papa Heavy to right on Juliet, hold short of runway 22 right to remain this frequency.
On Juliet, also 22 right, remain the frequency, to line Charlie Papa Heavy.
JetBlue 2223, wind 2105, runway 22 right, clear for takeoff.
Correct, clear for takeoff,
Tower for 57. Forget 5710 to right on hotel, hold short runway 22 right, remain as frequency. Hotel, short of 22 right, this frequency, break up 5710. JetBlue 2922, cross runway 22 right at Juliet, taxi right on Bravo and monitor ground point on, good day.
Cross 22 right, right Bravo, monitor ground, JetBlue 2922, good day.
JetBlue 702 Canadian Tower, runway 22 right, line up and wait, cross runway turbulence, traffic 10 miles final.
Line up and wait, 22 right, JetBlue
003 heavy, contact here at Fortress.
Good enough, right here,
Delta 576, cross runway 22 right at Juliet, taxi right onto Bravo, monitor ground point on, good day.
Cross to right, and then Bravo on 219, thank you.
Condor 2016 heavy to right on Kilo 3, right on Kilo and safe parking.
Condor 2016, Kilo 3, right on Kilo, and call you back for parking.
Tower 141, Delta Romeo, 22 left.
Sheet 141 Delta Romeo Kennedy Tower, wind 1906, runway 22 left, for the line.
22 left, for the land, 1 Delta Romeo.
Tower, Brickyard 4529, ILS 22 left.
Brickyard 4529, Canadian Tower, wind 1906, runway 22 left, settle in.
Settle land 22 left, Brickyard 4529.
Condor 2016 Heavy, hold short of runway 31 left and advise parking.
Condor 2016, hold short 31 left, and we call you back. We are not in contact with the spot, unfortunately.
Speaker 173 Alpha Heavy, we are established, runway 22 left.
Sure, 173 Alpha Heavy, Canadian Tower, wind 1905, runway 22 left, settle in.
Settle land 22 left, Speaker 176 Alpha Heavy.
And Kinger 111 Mike, Kennedy Tower, runway 22 right, line up and wait.
Runway 2 right, 1 Mike.
And Condor 2016 Heavy, cross runway 31 left at Kilo, taxi left.
Condor 2016, we are crossing runway 13 right on Kilo.
And Condor 2016 Heavy, it's a left onto Alpha, left onto Alpha. Regard 4519, turn right on at Juliet, hold short of runway 22 right, remain this frequency, take gate number.
Right, Juliet, hold short 22 right, Brickyard 4529.
At 1 Delta Romeo, cross runway 22 right at Juliet, continue straight ahead onto Alpha, and Quebec, monitor ground point 9.
Alright, cross 22 right, Alpha, Quebec, and monitor ground.
Circuit 4529, cross runway 22 right at Juliet, follow the aircraft ahead, monitor ground point 9.
Cross 22 right at Juliet, follow the aircraft, monitor ground, Brickyard 4529.
Peter 173 Alpha Heavy, hold short runway 22 right at Hotel, remain in frequency.
Hold short, I'm in center out, hotel, remain in 173 Alpha Heavy.
439 Heavy, contact your score. Taxi right onto Bravo, monitor ground point 9. Jfk 7E, cross runway 22 right at Golf, taxi right on Bravo, monitor ground point 9.
We'll cross 22 right at Golf, right here on Bravo, monitor ground.
Fever 173 Alpha Heavy, cross runway 22 right at Hotel, taxi right on Bravo, and monitor ground point 9.
Okay, cross 22 right, hotel right on Bravo, monitor ground point 9, speed at 173 Alpha Heavy.
Runway 58 Heavy, Alpha.
For the 858 Heavy Kennedy Tower, wind 20 at 4, runway 22 left, settle in.
Runway 22 left, Delta 858 Heavy. Brickyard 4677, Alpha 22 left.
Figure 4677 Kennedy Tower, wind 190 at 6, runway 22 left, cleared to land.
Clear to land 22 left, Brickyard 4677.
And Delta 858 Heavy, cross runway 22 right at Hotel, taxi left on Alpha at Juliet, test line the Embraer, monitor ground point 9.
Clear to cross 22 right, and left on Alpha, and then behind the Embraer for Delta 858 Heavy.
Brickyard 4657, cross runway 22 right at Juliet, continue straight ahead onto Alpha, Delta waits for you, monitor ground point 9, good day.
Cross 22 right at Juliet, Alpha, ground point 9, Brickyard 4657.
Delta 169 Heavy, turn right on Kilo 3, right on Kilo, hold short, runway 31 left.
Kilo 3, Kilo, hold short of 13 left, Delta 169.
Delta 169 Heavy, that's runway 31 left.
31 left.
And Delta 6033, cross runway 31 left at Kilo, taxi right onto Bravo, and monitor ground point 9, good day.
Cross 31 left on Kilo, right on Bravo, monitor ground, Jfk 6332.
Tower 37 Golf Heavy, turn right on Juliet, hold short of runway 22 right, remain at frequency.
Right, for Juliet, hold short, 22 right, 06, Tower 37 Golf Heavy.
Jfk Tower right 01 super, traffic localizer on the
Runway 201 Super, 1080 Tower, wind 1806, runway 22 left, clear to land. Number 4997, contact nearest departure.
Contact departing, number 4997, go ahead.
JFK Tower, good afternoon, Brickyard 5838 with the ILS 22 right.
5838 Kennedy Tower, wind 180 Kennedy Tower, runway 22 right, line up and wait, traffic 8 mile final.
Tower 22 right, line up on the 149 heavy.
Brickyard 4677, cross runway 22 right at Hotel, taxi left on Alpha, monitor ground point 9, traffic is holding in position at Juliet, test behind Qatar.
Alright, clear across 22 right, Hotel, left Alpha, over to ground, Brickyard 4677.
Tower 37 Golf Heavy, cross runway 22 right at Juliet, continue straight ahead onto Alpha, monitor ground point 9.
Cross runway 22 right at Juliet, continue on to Alpha, monitor ground point 9, you have a good one, to Tower 37 Golf.
Number 5153, cross runway 22 right at Hotel, taxi left on Alpha, monitor ground. And W44, monitor ground point 9, good day. Runway 31 left and remain on this frequency.
Roger, Zulu, hold short 31 left, interest 201.
Emirates 201 Super, cross runway 31 left at Zulu. And hold short of Hotel. Advise if your ramp is open.
Roger, cross runway 31 left via Zulu, hold short of Hotel and Alpha 7 via Gold, and it is open. Emirates 201.
022 Heavy Kennedy Tower, runway 22 right, line up and wait, traffic 5 mile final.
Line of right, runway 022 right, Saudi, 022 heavy.
Runway 2864.
Delta 173 Heavy, turn right on Juliet, hold short of runway 22 right, say gate number.
Juliet, short of 22 right, Bravo 32, another 123.
And Saudi 022 Heavy, contact nearest departure.
Nearest departure, Saudi 022 heavy, bye-bye.
JetBlue 1483 Kennedy Tower, crossing white turbulence, runway 22 right, line up and white, traffic to the left, right now, field. Blue 1483 Kennedy Tower. Delta 2422, cross runway 22 right at Julia, what's your gate number?
Bravo 26, Delta 2324, crossing 22 right at Juliet.
2422 straight Alpha to your right, monitor ground point 9er.
And monitor ground point 9, take care.
Moonflower 787, heavy turn right, kilo 3 right onto kilo.
Confirm my right at the end via kilo.
No, right at kilo 3 if you can make that, and then the right again via kilo for Moonflower 787 heavy.
Kilo 3, kilo for Moonflower 787 heavy.
Number 201 Super, are you cleared in?
Stand by, please.
Delta 173 heavy cross runway 22 right at Julia, what's your gate number?
Clear cross 22 right at Juliet, going to Bravo 32.
Delta 173 heavy straight Alpha to your right, monitor ground point 9er.
Alpha the ramp, monitor ground, Delta 173.
Moonflower 787 heavy, continue via kilo, cross runway 31 left to left Alpha.
Continue on kilo, cross 31 left, Alpha Moonflower 787 heavy.
JetBlue 1483, Kennedy Tower, you up?
We are, we're holding short of runway 22 right, JetBlue 1483.
Blue 1483, runway 22 right, line up and wait, traffic left to right downfield.
And if I'm wait, 22 right, JetBlue 1483.
Delta 462 heavy, Juliet, hold short of runway 22 right, remain this frequency.
Juliet, hold short at 22 right, stay with you, Delta 462 heavy.
Emirates 201, you are cleared into the ramp.
Emirates 201 Super, roger, traffic holds in position, cross runway 22 right at Golf, taxi straight in or left Alpha to your ramp and monitor ground point 9er.
Cross runway 22 left, correction 22 right via Golf and monitor ground 121.9er, Emirates 201 Super.
Moonflower 787 heavy, you parked at Terminal 1, is that correct?
Affirm, Moonflower 787 heavy.
Moonflower 787 heavy, roger, left Alpha to your ramp, monitor ground point 9er.
Yes, monitor ground 121 and Moonflower 787 heavy.